Next up is adFreeq. adFreeq is a socially integrated classified ad platform that brings buyers and sellers together in real time. Please welcome Peter Mean.
Greetings, my name is Peter Mean, and I'm the CEO of adFreeq. In 2000, classified ad revenue in the United States was $19.2 billion. In 2012, it was $8.6 billion. Craigslist, Monster.com, eBay, they kicked the butts of traditional newspapers and magazines. But the Poynter Institute, an industry think tank, estimates that over $6 billion a year is left on the table through incremental revenue. But we're here to help the 10,000 newspapers and the thousands of online publishers and blogs reclaim the lost profit and traffic that they've lost in the last 10 years. adFreeq was developed as part of a fellowship project I did with the Missouri School of Journalism's Reynolds Journalism Institute. And we've recently solidified that relationship through the Missouri Innovation Center and located in our offices there. So what is adFreeq? Well, imagine, if you will, on your phone, a fully enabled classified ad platform. But with one slight difference. We're going to take that classified ad platform and slide it onto the newspaper page of your favorite local newspaper or your favorite local online magazine. And this is what we call an ad portal. Now, with an ad portal, it's kind of a cool app. It's a standard little app. But what's different about it is that it's smart. What it does is it looks at the context of the page and it says, what's on this page? What is the topic? Oh, this particular page has some references to basketball. So let's show personalized, classified basketball ads for this particular viewer on this particular page. Now, you can, if you want to open up one of the ads, you just click on that particular ad and it opens up, and you can look at it, say, hey, this is cool looking autographed basketball. I think I'll take a look at it, and it'll look at it a little more detail, and it brings up a detailed page. And hey, looks like a really great basketball. I want to contact the seller. One thing that we've provided is what we call anonymous email. One of the major issues with online classifieds right now is security. It's feeling comfortable in the transaction. So we provided an anonymous email capability. If you want to look at the ad in a little larger view, you can blow it up full screen and take a look at the photos. If it has embedded video, you can also look at the video. And when you close it, you're automatically returned right back to the ad portal that you were on. Now, the cool thing with adFreeq is that it's a very powerful classified search engine. So if I want to do an advanced search, I can click on the little advanced search button and run up to 4 simultaneous searches for things that I'm looking for. I literally just fill out a little form, and then I hit the search button, or even better, I can hit the alert button. And the alert button will continue to look for me even while I'm not online to find the things that I'm looking for and notify me via text or email. So let's say I want to sell something on adFreeq. I've got an old motorcycle I want to sell. So I'll click on the Place an Ad button, and it shows me a form, a simple form that I need to fill out, all without leaving the page that I'm on. I click on the category button, select a particular category, fill out all the rest of the fields in the form, and then click on the Next Step button. And then I can add up to 4 photos or a YouTube video, embed it, and look at the preview of my ad right there at that particular location. Then I go ahead and hit the payment button. If the publisher chooses to charge you for that particular ad, we have the entire integrated payment system right inside the ad portal itself. Once I hit that, I publish it to the net. Each ad automatically goes out to Twitter and into our own adFreeq network. One of the cool things about adFreeq is all the ads that are in it, but it's a relatively small space to work with. So what if I wanted to blow that up a little bit and look at a lot of ads all at the same time? We have a zoom button. If you click on the zoom button, the screen zooms up. And basically what it does is it allows you to scroll infinitely through the different ads that you're searching for. In this case, we're looking at a whole bunch of pet ads that just came up. One of the ads that went by was baby cockatiels. I've never seen baby cockatiels, so I'll click on that particular ad. And here comes a picture of little baby cockatiels. I wonder where they're located. A friend of mine, Ed, is a collector of exotic birds, so I'll find out where they are. Hey, they're nearby. I wonder if they've got any additional pictures of those little cockatiels. I click on that, and you can scroll through the different photos and images, even videos within the ad, within that little ad card. So I decide I want to share this back to bed. I can click on any one of 4 different social sharing buttons at the bottom of the screen. And then there's one fifth button, and the one last button that I haven't shown you yet, the star button. And the star button is really the power behind our ad boards technology. What it does is allows you to aggregate ads, to save them in groups, so that you can collect things that you're looking for, or you can share those groups of things with other people. For instance, my buddy Dan, Mike, he's looking for Mustangs, and he's shopping for Mustangs this weekend. So what he's done is aggregated all those different classifieds into his own unique ad board. And he'll be able to share those with other friends so that as they go shopping, etc., they have that list, and they can pull that list up on their phone and have access to the maps and all the additional information. When they're done, they close the ad board, and they're right back to the original page that they're on with the newspaper. adFreeq was designed with responsive design capabilities. So the cool thing is it works just as well on a mobile device as it does on the desktop. In fact, ad boards look phenomenal on a tablet. Come over to our booth and we'll be more than happy to show you how they work. We're also bringing out an iOS 6 version in the next few months, as well as updating our HTML5 version ongoing because it's dynamic. With adFreeq, publishers get a free classified ad platform. We don't charge them. We run the entire system for them. It's a branded site. Every single ad portal is branded for their site. And they can have as many ad portals on a site as they'd like. It only takes 30 minutes to set up and install your first ad portal. And they manage every aspect of the ad portal, including ad rates and the sources of the ads. We're going to provide multiple sources. In fact, our goal is to provide millions of ads for them to choose from and be able to display at any time, generating a lot of traffic. And so what do they get out of that? Not only do they get a free site, but they get 70% of all the revenue that's generated by the system. We keep 30% to manage the system. And we're also working on additional revenue formats that will soon be available in the U.S. Now I mentioned the U.S. specifically because we're also bringing out adFreeq. We're also bringing out adFreeq in China. We recently received over a $200,000 grant from the government of China to bring adFreeq to China. And we've also received matching angel funding. We have the team in place. We have a marketing team, a development team. They're actively building, and we're going to have that product available this summer in China. We're currently raising $500,000 for 18 months of development runway, after which time we expect to be working forward through our own revenue. So we have a great team in place. We have a strong team in China as well as the U.S., and both teams are balanced technically and from a marketing and sales perspective. So we're adFreeq. We have a plan, we have the people, and we have a freaking awesome product. Well, that guy's gonna have a problem.